Help! I have yellow aphids on 2 Schwann milkweed plants. Each day for the past 3 days, I have hosed them off, but they come back. How many days will I have to hose off the aphids before they give up? It takes 10 minutes and I get covered with water too. Maybe I should give up and cut off most of the stems and just leave 1 or 2. Any suggestions? Never lost for words, Melbourne, Australia.
Wow.
All right, so they have problems with
They have
aphids
aphids
in
also,
Australia.
yeah.
How about that? So pretty good. So Miss Kim, she's using the
Yeah,
hose,
she's using the
right,
hose.
but they just keep
Yeah.
coming back.
That's never really worked for me.
Okay.
I think it's just
Good.
they're so tiny, they hold on
Good.
really tight. I still think encourage your good bugs. Praying mantis. You can actually buy in biological, wasp. People don't like wasp, but they're actually
Yes.
very good for
Right.
taking care of bugs. You can use insecticidal
Saddle
soap.
soap, right.
Don't spray that in the hot part of the day. It will burn
Yes.
the plant.
Yes, good
That's
one.
true.
That is
and
on the label.
That's on the
That's
label.
on the label.
So always read your label.
Yes.
And part of it is if you have a good, strong, healthy plant, they say you won't get bugs. That's not true.
That's not
you
true.
still get bugs.
You're gonna get 'em.
So
You're gonna get aphids.
You're going to get aphids.
That's almost an aphid
Yeah.
for every plant
Yes,
species, it
that's-
seems like.
That's true.
Right.
So
Yeah.
just kind of keep an eye on them and get rid of what you can. So
Right. And again, I would say don't encourage too much of that
too
succulent
much of the
growth
green
with
growth,
the nitrogen
right.
Right.
fertilizer. And then there are some, of course, we talked about insecticidal soap, pyrethrins.
Yes.
Just came to
Yes.
mind.
Yeah.
Something else that's safe as well. So I would go with those safer products. Oils, okay.
Yes.
Again, neem oil, horticulture oil can be used as well. So there you have it. So never lost for words, right? Melbourne, Australia. Who knew, right?
Yeah.
Aphids.
aphids.
They get around, don't they? We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.